It's time for AI Tips with Jay! It sounds too good to be true, but Jay has got some tips for you. Totally free, you don't have to pay. It's time for AI Tips with Jay! AI Tips with Jay! Hooray! AI Tips with Jay! AI Tips with Jay.
This week on AI Tips with Jay, how to use fewer tokens during your paid AI requests and responses. Sometimes more than 50% less. Or is it less than 50% more?
Just say, and now here's Jay.
I was getting there, and now here's Jay.
Thank you, Pretend Studio audience. It's really good to be here in my living room. And welcome to the premiere episode of AI Tips with Jay. I'm Jay, and I have,
AI tips?
Yeah, AI tips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really hitting the ground running, hey Sporto?
You can just edit out all the dead spots before you publish this video, right?
Yeah, sure, I can totally do that.
Excellent. I've put this TokenMyzer app on Streamlit you can play with. I'll show you how it works. I'll purposely type in a wordy and redundant request, and TokenMyzer is going to process the request and response and tell us how many tokens we used. So, that ate up 67 tokens. We got back 38 tokens worth of reply after sending a 29 token request. Now we'll retry in cleanup mode. In fairness, most of the tokens we saved in this example were due to a less wordy response from the LLM, but stripping the superfluous spaces and line feeds did save us a couple tokens. But the real benefit comes from what I call my Tarzanifier. This feature strips all the incidental articles of speech. My experience has been that this rarely has a negative impact on simple text inputs, but it can save a lot of tokens. We're down to 46 of our original 67 tokens, nearly a 1/3 reduction in our token use. And as you can see, our revised request has us talking like Tarzan. What name, capital city, state, Wisconsin?
Come Jane, rub Tarzan happy place.
What the hell are you doing?
I thought we were...
Get the hell out of here and put a shirt on. I'm sorry you had to see that. Let's redo that request again, first without any filtering. Again, it takes about 67 tokens. I'll add in our cleanup and Tarzanifier together, and that saves us 21 tokens. Again, over a 30% savings. That's not insubstantial, and it can add up. Now, those savings were on the request side. We can save even more tokens on the response by using our Concise filter. Ignore the 710. This Q&A ate over 750 tokens. We'll check Concise response and resubmit the exact same request. And boom! 268 tokens saved, about 35%. Here's a test I ran earlier showing a 60% token savings. The TokenMyzer is free. You can try it out at tokenmyzer.streamlit.app. There you'll find a link to an easy-to-use Python function in the sidebar. The README file on our GitHub page will tell you how to use it. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll talk in the comments or on our Discord server.
Not your thing, cool, take a hike. Otherwise, subscribe and like to AI Tips with Jay. AI Tips with Jay. Hooray! AI Tips with Jay.
AI Tips with Jay is a copyrighted production of j.gravel.us. All rights reserved by...
AI Tips with Jay.